Good morning. It is 7 a.m. on a Friday, and I'm at work, and it's time to make a video. So, the topic for this video is linear functions, point-slope form, write an equation from a graph. And we're going to be dealing with the point-slope equation. So, what is the point-slope equation? Well, it looks like this. It's y minus y sub 1 equals m x minus x sub 1, where y sub 1 and x sub 1 are a point and m is the slope. So here's what we have to do. We have to get the point, so I'll start by finding the point. We'll also have to get the slope. We'll end up plugging it into the point-slope equation. So plug into the point-slope equation. If there's a boom boom or two negatives in a row, we'll end up taking care of that. So if I had something that looked like x minus negative 6, I would turn that into just an x plus 6. So we'll be aware of those boom booms. So here's how it works. So I need to get the point. Well, here's a point that I've given to you, and I need to get the slope, and here's a slope. So let's put it all together. This is going to be y minus y sub 1 equals m x minus x sub 1. Right here, this guy is my x sub 1, and this is my y sub 1. So we'll plug those in along with the slope. So y minus y sub 1 is 3, equals m, that's the slope, negative 3/5. X minus x sub 1 is negative 4. And do you see the boom boom I need to take care of? Take care of that, turn that into a positive. There you go. That's the method. Get the point, get the slope, plug them into the equation. Get the point, get the slope. Okay. Here's the point that's given to us. That point is at 4, 1. There's the point. Get the slope. Okay, the slope of this looks like it's going up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up 5 over 1 is the slope. And now we have to plug it into the equation. Now, on these IXLs, it's given to you in a nice form. So this is y minus y sub 1. Well, what is the y sub 1 on this? It's 1. Right there. This is y sub 1. This is x sub 1. So I'm going to take that 1 and plug it in. Equals, the next thing I need is the slope. Well, the slope we figured out was 5. So I'm going to put the slope in. Times parentheses, x minus x sub 1, and x sub 1 is 4, so I'll plug that in right there. And there's not a boom boom. Let's try another one. First thing I have to do is find the point. Okay. The point on this one is at 700, 100. The slope of this, it's a rise of 1 and a run of, what's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a rise of 1, a run of 6, and it's a negative. So I found the point that was given to me, and I also found the slope. Now let's build the equation. y minus y sub 1, that's 100, equals the slope, that's negative 1/6, minus the x, which is 700. Once again, there's not a boom boom on this one, but I'd be aware of that, especially in future problems. Okay, here's my graph. Start by finding the point. The point on this one is at negative 200, 600. The slope of this, where's a good point? Here's the other point on it. The slope is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 over 1, and that's a negative slope. Now let's plug everything into the equation. Y minus y sub 1, y sub 1 is 600, equals the slope, which is negative 7, x minus x sub 1, which is negative 200. This one does include a boom boom, so in future lessons we'll end up taking care of that. For this one, you'll leave the boom boom there. And that's it for that one. So let's review what you need to do. You're going to get the point off the graph, you're going to calculate the slope off the graph, and you're going to plug it into the point slope equation. That's it. It's really not math as much as just identifying things and putting them in the right places. It's as if I have you set the table, right? It's like, go to the drawer, get out the spoons and forks, now walk over to the table and put the spoons and forks in the correct area. That's all you're doing. Okay? Food. Okay. Talk to you later. Bye.